In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the size on Shein. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick a size directly on a product page and how to use the size guide to match your measurements for a confident fit. Start by opening the Shein app or website. From the home screen, navigate to the item you're interested in so you're on its product page. This page is where all the sizing actions happen. Scroll a little if you need to, and look for the size section. It's typically displayed near the price and color options. You'll see the available choices listed as XS, S, M, L, or XL. Tap the size you want. When it's selected, it usually becomes highlighted. If a size looks faded or can't be tapped, that simply means it's out of stock for that item. Once your preferred size is selected, tap Add to Cart. That's all you need if you already know your size for that specific piece. If you're unsure which size to choose, use the size guide for a more precise match. On the same product page, locate and tap the size guide link. It's often placed right under the size options. The size guide will show measurements for bust, waist, and hips, typically in inches and centimeters. These numbers correspond to the body measurements that the size is designed to fit. Now compare the chart with your own body size. If you have a soft measuring tape, measure your bust around the fullest part, your natural waist at the narrowest point, and your hips around the fullest point. Keep the tape level and snug but not tight for accuracy. Then find where your numbers fall on the chart. If your measurements don't all match a single size perfectly, prioritize the area that matters most for the garment type. For tops and dresses, bust is often the key number. For pants and skirts, hips usually lead. If you're between sizes, consider how you like your clothes to fit, slightly looser or more fitted, and whether the fabric is stretchy or structured, which is often noted near the chart. Once you've identified your best match in the size guide, return to the product page, tap that exact size in the size section, and add it to your cart. Taking this moment to align your measurements with the chart can help you avoid returns and get a result that feels tailored to you. That's it. Open the product page, choose a size, or use the size guide to compare bust, waist, and hips, and then pick the best fit. Happy shopping!